Hey girls, let's go pick some potatoes.
Yay! A potato.
There's one.
And there's
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
have a lot.
Wow, girls!
Another one. I don't know. I got.
Did you know you could grow a potato?
Yeah. That kind of potato.
Yeah, that one's kind of mushy. Here, put all the potatoes that you find in a pile.
Yeah.
Hey, Stella, right here. Can you pull that one off?
Pick more.
Pick more? Well, we're going to dig inside here. Just
Look.
watch out. Don't want to get your fingers.
I need a
I don't
little
know if
bit.
there's any more down in here.
I need a little bit for one of my things I planted
Oh, yeah?
in one of your gardens.
Oh, whoa! Don't throw it.
Mom, I can have this apple. Mom, we can have this apple, Mom.
Do you see any more potatoes in there?
No.
I think that's all of them.
Let's pick some more.
Well, the other one's not ready, I don't think. All right. Can we count our potatoes? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
How about we count them together? Wait. Let's put them.
Oh, a tiny one. And then another tiny one.
That's so
One.
cute. Here, let's put them all in a line. On your feet. Oh. All right. Let's count them. We're counting this tiny one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
12 potatoes.
14. I want to hold the little one, and I'll hold this one, and hold this one.
What are we gonna do with those potatoes?
And we're gonna clean up.
And
We're gonna get. I'm going to peel them with my fingernails.
what color are they?
Pink. I'm ready to clean up.
Oh, see this? Look. See the roots?
Yeah.
Look at all these itty bitty tiny potatoes that didn't grow. Look, Stella. Come look at this. Don't do that anymore. But look. You see those teeny tiny potatoes?
Yeah.
They're just like little dots.
We know how to do this.
Well, don't do that. Don't do that.
Do that.
No.
Okay. I love dirt.
You love dirt.
Yeah, I like to dig in it.
Well, do we want to plant some more potatoes?
Yeah.
What happened to this one over here? Ew. Whoa. Hi, Ben. What's he doing?
I'm giving more soil to my plant today. She's already peeling it.
I already told you not to. Let's get this dirt back in there, okay? So I dug out the potatoes from this bed, or this pot, 2 days ago. And this one's the only one that still looks green. And I mean, I am still learning. What?
It's starting to.
Uh-oh. What's the matter? Benjamin! Benjamin! Where are you? Hi! Are you gonna take the potatoes in? No, hey, Ruth, wait! Go put them on the counter. Just put them on the counter for now, okay? Alright, so yeah, I went ahead and got the potatoes out of this one. Both this one and the one that we just did were shriveled and yellowed. So this one, I'm guessing, is right behind it. If anyone has any resources or tips about growing potatoes specifically in containers, I would love to hear it, because honestly I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it. I thought I had actually killed those, but I guess that's what they're supposed to do. Whenever the greens die, then it's time to harvest the potatoes. I thought it was because this pot had better drainage. It's got giant cracks down the side, whereas this one doesn't, and then the 5-gallon bucket didn't either. So I just assumed that maybe like the other two pots were getting too much water, and so I thought I killed them, but I guess I didn't. I don't know, but yeah, I'm interested to see like the difference between the potatoes in this one compared to the other two pots. I'm wondering if like we'll get more or larger potatoes, I guess. I don't know. I'll take you guys under my trellis. Just under 2 pounds so far. So I just spent way too much time watching some videos about how to grow potatoes, and I learned that you should actually plant a potato and then cover it with just a little bit of dirt, and then after the green leaves start poking through, you cover it again, and I guess you just keep doing it till you're at the top of your pot if you're using a container. And I thought I read that somewhere, but I wasn't quite sure like what that meant. And I don't even know that I for sure understand exactly why that's needed, but I think I'm gonna try that this next time that I think I have some seed potatoes left to try again. So I think I'm really loving like this whole process of growing potatoes. It was very fascinating to pull up the wilted greens and find all these like bright magenta red potatoes the other morning, and so I knew I wanted to do it again with the girls, and oh my gosh, I mean, you saw like they were so excited. I was excited. I think I'm gonna try out maybe a few different techniques, or at least kind of do things just a little differently, just to kind of see what happens and if anything changes. But maybe I'll try a different potato, I don't know. But that's all for now. It's late, I'm going to bed. I'm so tired. Good night.